Now, just slap your cheeks. Hold your breath. And then just let someone scare you like this. I think that. And it should get rid of your hiccup.